This is Honda Civic. We're going to change out the front speakers and the back speakers. First thing you're going to do is remove this window switch. We have it out. You just pop that out. Comes out. Unplug the factory switch, which is right here. Just push this little tab. Release. So once you have this panel here, there is a one screw right here. Remove that. And after that, it's fairly simple. You start it from the bottom. Start from the bottom and you pry the entire door panel. Head. You start it from the bottom, you pry that corner, and you just simply pry it. It's a little snug, but you can pull it out like this. Keep doing it all the way to the top, and you pry this one upward like this to release. Simple as that. No special trick. Again, start it from the bottom corner, pull it. Once you have it out a little bit, you pull this corner upward, and everything comes out one piece. Now, this one here, most of the time, we don't use a spacer. As you can see, it's about 1.25 inch spacer here. If you don't use spacer, it will hit the glass. So, best way to do it is, of course, Metro makes the spacer. You can buy the Metro spacer. We're not doing that. We're just going to separate this basket from the speaker and use this one as a spacer. Alright, so what you do is you put panel pop on the top. It's a little sticky on it, and you pull it upward and it comes out like that. So otherwise there's a hook here that slides down here. So you separate it, push those two tabs, and disconnect the speaker wires. Now you may say, which one is plus, which one is minus? The most common ones, other than GM, most of them, if you look at the speaker, once he has it out, I'm going to show you. You may say, which one is plus, which one is minus? You can use a battery, and when you power that up, which is a coil, if it goes out away, and that is a correct polarity. If it goes out, let's say you have a plus here, minus here, if a speaker goes out like this, that means this is plus, this is minus. Most cars, most Japanese, European cars, American cars, the positive side is on the right hand side. When you look at it like this, terminal toward to you, magnet on the middle, ones on the right are usually plus. Not all the time, but 99% of the time. I know this car plus is on this side. So if you look at the terminal here, which was this way, the red one is plus, blue one is minus. As long as you do the same way all four, then it should be fine. If you reverse left to right, it's going to cancel out the bass and it's going to sound real tinny. Okay, this is the rear speakers we're going to do. First thing you're going to do is you lift up this front side of it, lift it up, take this whole bottom seat out. The reason for that is to get to the rear deck, you got to take these side ones out, back piece out, pillars out, and the rear deck out. So we're going to pull this to release the seat forward. Like this. So we're going to remove this 10 mil right there on the bottom. And we're going to lift that up and release this side panel. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on this side. Right here. So we're going to take that on the passenger side, the same thing. You pop that out, straight up. That release. Like that.
Shows the clip.
It's very tight, but it comes out. Carefully pry out, straight out.
Wait.
Okay, now you pull straight up. And straight out, pull it to you. Almost like this. Okay, so once you pop this side out a little bit, you start it from this corner, lift it up, out, then pull toward to the front side of the vehicle, that comes out. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to have to take this same pillow out because this panel is under part of this pillow here. So we're going to do the same thing. You're going to start from the right corner. Straight forward, straight forward, out this way. Yep, that's it. That's how you get it out. Alright, so once you put this back seat down, now you can pop out. There is a, you need a panel popper. There's a pry bar.
Wait, let me check here.
No, it's the clip right here. No. You need a panel popper. Nope. Right here. Just pry right about here underneath. There are clips. Yep, like that. And go around. There's one here too.
Wait. Don't have clip.
Alright. On this front side, this back panel here, it has a hook coming down this way, so you kind of have to lift it up. The entire back panel should come out. Now we can access the speakers. Just like the door speakers, it's held on with a one screw in the middle. In this case, we don't have to use the space on this one because this just drops into the trunk. So Jim cut out the basket. We are using just the plastic piece as a spacer. Only thing you're doing is cut this middle side of it and use that as a spacer. So mount the speakers onto the existing basket, which we cut out, and that's it.